Welcome back to the Audit the Law channel.
You act like it's hot.
This video comes to you by way of Truth Be Told Audits. Make sure you go subscribe and give him the credit that he deserves. I want to read to you a comment that was pinned on his last video. It reads, "Laugh out loud. Would never have heard the number, but since he brought it up, boom, use it to educate. Cops always insist on phone numbers, blah, blah. No legal requirement to give that or social security number. Cops get ego hurt if you refuse. They need to get over that. The excuse of, oh, we need it in case we change your court date is bullshit. They have your mailing address. Blue Lives Matter, thank you for that amazing comment. And I'm glad Truth Be Told Audits pinned it to the top. That's exactly what's going on out there, folks. Cops are asking you for your phone numbers, social security numbers, and all of that. They pretend that they need it for the court dates or whatnot, yada yada. Either they're doing this on purpose to keep bringing people to court and keep wasting their time, or the whole freaking system is incompetent. You guys check out this video. I want to hear your thoughts. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. Here we go, folks.
And she's getting a ticket. Her tags were out on her vehicle.
Hey, 1 second. If you guys can give me her cell number, so if y'all can just step away or mute, that way her cell number is not out there.
We're gonna keep on recording, man.
That's fine. That's fine.
You did inform her that she didn't have to give her cell phone number, right?
As I'm watching this video, I keep thinking to myself, what would I do in this situation? This guy is doing everything that I would have done. He's asking the cop if he informed the driver that she doesn't have to give her social security number or phone number, and he goes on to inform the driver as well. That is outstanding work, folks.
$19.03. Yeah, you don't have to give your telephone number or your social security number. All the information they need is on your driver's license. All the extra stuff, they don't need that stuff. Just to let you know. That's what I mean. They try to overstep what they're supposed to be doing right there. And your social security and your telephone number, you don't have to give that to them. Everything that they need is on your driver's license. It sucks that they gave you a ticket, though. I hate hearing that. I hate it. Yeah. Hey, times are tough, and I mean, everybody's going through it, and it makes it worse now. On top of you having to pay for that, now you got to pay for a ticket too. You know what I mean? It's just it's horrible.
The spray can flap was open.
Mm-hmm.
Did you notice that?
His gas cap?
For his pepper spray.
Oh no, I did not notice that.
Exhaust baton. See that flap?
Oh yeah. You can tell him?
Yeah. Well, I have had experience with him before. He's always been professional with me.
Mm-hmm. Well, he did try to tell us to stop recording. No, I'm going to continue recording.
Yeah.
And trying to get her driver's license and all that stuff. It's her telephone number. She don't have to give all that information. Can I go get your name and badge number so you can look good?
Yes. So 460.
460. And your 1903 squad car, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Okay.
one more thing, your pepper spray, the flap is
Oh no, that's my flashlight.
Oh.
There you go. Thank you.
All right, folks. First of all, at Audit the Law, this is what we like to see. This is a very well conducted cop watch. He's out there observing, documenting, and uploading. Not every video has to be an exciting one. Not every video has to have a back and forth with the cops and the people swearing at each other. The goal of a cop watch is to record, document, ask questions if you have any, get some names and badge numbers, inform the people of their rights. The number one goal is to make sure that cops are not abusing their authority. With that being said, I'd like to add that we need to stop calling the police the authorities, because they are not the authority over the people. Truth Be Told Audits always conducts himself professionally. Since he started this channel, we've been following him closely. Every subscriber that he has, he's earned and he deserves them. I would like to send all of you over to his channel. He's always out there recording with Michelle's Mobile Media. She operates a very good channel as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to her. And his son is also out there recording as well. You guys, this is amazing work. He conducts himself professionally. He tries to have cordial conversations. He stands firm on his rights. He doesn't let cops bully him. But at the same time, he gives respect when it's earned. If I had to rate this cop watcher, I would give him a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure you go subscribe to Truth Be Told Audits. His channel link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. See you on the next one, folks.